Hello, Angel, and everyone over there at Angel Gonzalez Roofing and Gutters. My name is Charles Marine. I work with your local SEO professionals. It's a company I started in order to help small businesses pull in more clients in and around their local area. I wanted to shoot this video to give you 3 tips on how you can get more clients clicking on your website and therefore transfer that into more sales. Now, you might ask, why am I doing this? Why am I giving you 3 free tips? Well, I found that with small businesses, owners don't have that much time to do all of this promotion stuff themselves, this SEO stuff themselves, and a lot of the time, you don't know which company to go to, or who is just there to take your money and will not really optimize your website as well as they can. Well, I want to prove myself, so I want to give you 3 tips. You can take them, use them, no harm, no foul. Show them to your website person and implement them. Or if you want to save time, you can go ahead and contact me. I'll give you my information at the end, and we can talk about partnering later to help you pull in more clients. All right, I don't want to waste any more of your time, so here are the 3 tips. Citations, content, and backlinks. Let me say that again. Content, citation, and backlinks. Citations. All right, so now what do I mean by content? Content is everything on your front page. Everything that you can see in blue here. Your pictures, the text behind the pictures, all of that is content. And Google prefers that you have about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your page, especially on your front page, with authoritative context, saying what you do, who you are, where you're located, what your services are, what locations you serve, and authoritative, meaning it has certain keywords that when people are looking for a roofing and gutter person in Allentown, you're going to pop up first. So when I Google roofing and siding Allentown, one of the first results is Whitaker Roofing and Siding, which is your competitor, and I'm sure you know them. And let's look at their content. Their website. They have a little bit more text than you, so this would be easy to beat. Just adding up some text on your main page and also on your other pages. Adding a few text words to better explain what you do. So that's it for one last thing about context is the pictures themselves. What you save them as. You see, this one picture is saved as home 1. Now it works. Google reads what's behind the pictures. So what would help you is to save your pictures as keywords. For example, I would save this as roofing and siding Allentown. So when I upload it to my website and it's saved like that, Google knows that that picture has to do with roofing and siding, and they'll rank me higher because I'm more relevant to what the user is searching for. Okay, that's it for content. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations have to do with this part of your local search. This part is called the map pack. So when you search, let's say I searched for roofing and siding Allentown. First thing I see here, Google Ads. Something small about Google Ads, they're always hit or miss because these days a lot of people have ad blockers. So if they have an ad blocker, you'll be missing out on the market. That's why I don't prioritize on having Google Ads for whichever client I'm working with. So the second part after the Google Ads is what is known as the map pack. And the way to rank over here, the way to get over here is by having many citations. It's like a popularity contest. The more citations you have, the higher you'll climb in this map pack area. Now, what are citations? Citations are anywhere that your business is listed, the name, address, and phone numbers listed on different directories online. Now, I have a tool called WhiteSpark, which can search. If I put in your business, and I also put in your competitor's business, and I searched for all your citation sources, where your citations are, so I can tell your business is within all of these directories. Your competitor's business is in 46 directories. Now, to be able to beat and rank higher than your biggest competitor, you have to have 46 citations and more. Make sure they're relevant citations, so meaning where people go to search for your kind of business, not, for example, not where people go to search for food. You know, if your business is in a restaurant directory, it's not that relevant, so that citation is not as powerful. So that's what I would do. That's what I would advise you to do. Get more than enough, maybe double, about 80 plus citations, so that you can keep on ranking higher than your competitor. The third thing I want to show you or talk about is backlinks. Now, we all know that the internet is made up of, it's like a connection, a web of links. Every website linking to another website. What a backlink is when one website has a link on their page that points to your website. That's what a backlink is. And the more authoritative the website that's linking to you, the stronger it'll help raise your website. For example, Pizza Hut linking to you doesn't make sense because they make pizza. Though if you have say it's a business forum for roofing and gutters in southeastern Pennsylvania, linking to you, is much more relevant and would make sense. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, and with it I'm able to put in your website and look and analyze it. So I took the liberty of putting you in here, and I see that for where you're ranking on Google searches, you have about 305 backlinks, and your competitor, Whitaker Roofing and Siding, has about 213 backlinks. Now, they might be ranking higher than you because not all backlinks are the same. Like I had mentioned, if you have more backlinks that are not relevant, you will not be seen. Google will not consider you as strong. Okay, so those are the three things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. I also wanted to show you this tool. Let's see why your competitor is ranking higher than you. I can look at what organic keywords are being searched for. For example, for the search term, the keyword roofing contractors Allentown, PA. That's what someone would type in if they're looking for roofing contractors. About 90 people search for it per month, and you are at position 12, so that's probably on the third page, the third page of Google. Your competitor, here, let's see, roofing contractors Allentown, 90 times a month. They're ranking they're 13, so they're going higher and higher. They've raised up by one last month, so they're ranking a little bit lower than you. Well, you're going down and they're going up. What I'm interested in is a keyword like roofers Allentown. So this is your competitor, Whitaker Roofing and Siding. So if someone types in roofers Allentown, PA, or just Allentown, let's look at Allentown. About 30 people type in per month, giving them 1.6 people clicking on the website, and they rank number 8. For you, roofers Allentown, 30 people, but you rank number 12. So to rank better with keywords, all you'd have to do is go into your content on every page and make sure it includes these keywords that people are searching for. So those are 3 tips I've given you to be able to increase your traffic to your website, therefore increasing the number of calls that you get, and hopefully, depending on your conversion rate, increasing the number of closed deals that you do. That's citations, content, and backlinks. You're welcome to just take these tips and use them, give them to your website person, or if you want to save time and hopefully money, because I believe I have really good rates, please feel free to contact me. Again, I am from your local CEO Pros professionals. My email address is charles@yourlocalceopros.com. My name is Charles Marine, and my phone number is 215-770-1621. Thank you very much. Yeah, have a great rest of your day, and I hope to hear from you.